Hello my fellow creators and welcome to my YouTube channel. It is Embossing Folder Friday once again, and for the month of March we have chosen polka dots as our theme. So I pulled out this polka dot embossing folder by Doris, and I've had this in my stash for several years. And I'll be using some black cardstock. It's like a speckled cardstock I had in my stash, and I'll be using Gina K Wild Dandelion and Gina K's Blue Denim. For the sentiment, I'm going to be using this Thinking of You sentiment by Clearly Besotted, and it's the Floral Fancy stamp set. And for my image, I am using this large floral sprig from Simon Says Stamps Sunshine Flowers. So let's get started. I will begin by ink blending on this speckled cardstock. All right, now that I've got that ink blended, I'm going to go ahead and stamp my image. I've trimmed my panel down to 4 by 5 1/4, and I'm going to attach that to this black cardstock that I've trimmed to be just a bit larger. All right, and I've attached some foam tape from Dollar Tree to my sentiment strip. I'll attach that there, and then I will add this to a card base. And there you have my completed card for Embossing Folder Friday. Now I did make a second one off camera, and I did a little deeper ink blending and attached it using some fun foam I had. So they're a little bit different, but I think they both turned out beautifully. I actually like the lighter one. Let me know in the comments below which card you prefer. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribed to my YouTube channel or followed me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye!